In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived cards and lists. Archiving in Trello is a safe way to clear clutter without deleting, and knowing where to find those items later is essential. We'll quickly get to Trello, open your board, pull up the archive, and bring something back with a single click. Open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Trello and press Enter, then click the official Trello website in the results. If you're already in Trello, you can jump straight to your workspace. Otherwise, sign in so you can access your boards. This ensures you're on the official app with the latest features. Now, open the board that contains the items you archived. The archive is specific to each board, so you'll only see cards and lists that were archived from this one. At the top right of the board header, find the three dots icon to open the board menu. Click it to expand more options and settings. Scroll through the menu and click Archived Items. This view gathers everything you've previously archived from the current board. You'll see cards and lists that were tucked away to keep your workflow clean. Think of it as a holding area. Nothing here is deleted, so comments, attachments, and activity are preserved until you decide otherwise. It's especially helpful during sprints or project phases when you want to hide finished work while keeping a traceable record for later reviews. Take a moment to scan the list and confirm what you want to bring back. To restore an archived item, select the card or list you need and click Restore. Trello immediately returns it to the board. Cards generally reappear in the list they came from, with labels, members, and due dates intact, so you can continue right where you left off. If you restore a list, it comes back with its cards, keeping your structure together without extra setup. Restores are reversible too. If you change your mind, you can archive the item again without losing any details. And that's the whole process. You navigated to Trello, opened your board, accessed archived items, and restored what you needed with a single click. Archiving works like a clutter-free safety net. It keeps work out of sight, but never out of reach. Use it to maintain tidy boards while preserving history, and bring items back only when they're relevant again. Now you know exactly how to view archived cards and lists, and how to restore them when you need to.